Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be filming two videos. One will be fairly short with the opening of my Boxycharm, and then the other one I had asked you guys if you wanted to see my least favorites video on products of 2017, and some of you said you would love to, so I pulled out what I could think of and what I didn't return, because a lot of products I do return if I do not like them. So let's start with my Boxycharm. It's always a nice surprise. Boxycharm I've never been disappointed with, so always an exciting little surprise in the mail. So opened it up. I already see Dr. Brandt, which is a great product brand. Rock 2018. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Okay. So here we have the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Ooh. All skin types, illuminating primer base. Nice. This retails for $38. I love Dr. Brandt, and I use the facial scrub and all that. Super excited. Glam Metals by Crown Pro. Ooh. I like the packaging. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. Let's see here. It says to take your look up a notch with your eyeshadow brush before application. This will intensify. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Like this, just when I opened it, reminds me of Urban Decay. I don't know why, just as the packaging and the, ooh, this looks so pretty. Let's swatch a couple. I am excited. Never tried this brand. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Wow, I am gonna get some use out of this. These are my colors, boy. The blues, the greens. Oh yeah, that was so nice. So this retails for $25. Crown Pro. Now we have the Pure Bronze and Brighten. Looks very nice. Ooh. Oh, it's tape shut. Let's ruin my nail and open it up. Ooh, look at that. If that doesn't scream spring and summer, oh my gosh. I love it. Look at those colors, you guys. Let's just swatch a couple. Ooh, and they're so soft. Beautiful. Whoa, that is me beaming bright to the moon, to the bronzer. Can't leave the bronzer out. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This retails for $34. I love my Boxycharm. Here is the It Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil, which I have never tried. I actually have one in my room, in my drawer, and I have not tried it yet. I got it when Ulta has their half off thing this spring and then fall. So I will definitely try this, and this retails for $24. Then we have a matte lip paint by Girl Addict. Ooh, Girl Addict, I've never heard of that. Let's check out the color. Ooh, very nice. That was my kind of color. A nude. Let's see if it smells. Just slightly. Nothing bad. Look at that. Ooh, it feels moussey and velvety. Very pretty right there. Oh my gosh. Boy, did they nail this box. I love it. And this retails for $23. And that is it for the Rock 2018 Boxycharm unboxing. I'd say they hit every single thing in the box. Is just phenomenal. I am going to get some great use out of these. You guys, if you don't have Boxycharm, sign up, because it's so worth it. I love it. So that is it for my Boxycharm for the month of January. I hope you guys have a great day. If you're new, hello, welcome. And make sure you subscribe and like my channel. And I will be back shortly, like in a few minutes, with my least favorites video.